Hey, what's going on, guys? Michael from Bedell Property Management, and I'm here to do a pretty epic chainsaw comparison video for you. Today, I'm going to be comparing the ECHO CS-620P against the STIHL MS 362CM. Now, these are both very similar chainsaws, within a pound of each other weight-wise, within 1 cc of engine displacement, both 20-inch bars, both brand new out of the box. So we're not really comparing stats with this. We're going to be comparing how comfortable is this saw for someone like me to use. And at the end of the day, which one am I going to want to grab off of my trailer and know that it's going to produce results, be comfortable, and last, and not run into issues and leave me grabbing the other one, right? So let's dive in. We're just going to be cutting up some trees that have fallen down here, just doing some simple tasks and kind of running both of them through their paces and seeing if one comes out as the competitor against the other. So we've got these two saws back here. Like I said, both very similar. Really the only difference out of the box was the STIHL, if you can see it there, has a little bag there for the tools. So that's kind of a nice feature, but at the end of the day, that doesn't cut wood. So let's dive in, let's take a look, and let's see how these cut and recap at the end. Wow, this thing goes through wood like a hot knife through butter. Very, very impressed with this saw. Really like the double metal spikes here. Very aggressive cutting edge. Very balanced saw. I didn't really have to do any work. The most work I did was stepping over and starting to make the next cut, and after that it just takes the saw right through the wood. Very, very impressed. I'm very excited to see how the STIHL is going to perform against this. So let's take a look. And by the way, if you're digging today's chainsaw video, go ahead, hit the link right here and check out this electric chainsaw video I did last year with ECHO's 58-volt chainsaw. It was an awesome video. I'm sure you'll love it. All right, let's dive back in. Wow, that STIHL chainsaw was also very, very impressive. I'd say it also went through the wood like a hot knife through butter. At the end of the day, though, I think I'm going to lean towards the ECHO saw. Big difference being that when I was using the STIHL, and this could just be my experience or the conditions here, it seemed to rock back and forth just a little bit, versus the ECHO saw seemed a little bit more balanced. Also, a few things that I noticed where it just seemed like there were a few more plastic features on the STIHL saw versus metal components and features on the ECHO saw. And I know that stuff banging around the trailer, that'll hold up a little bit longer from my experience. Plastic just tends to get brittle and break over time. But like I said, these are both excellent saws. Definite bang for your buck, and in turn you can buck up a lot of wood with either of these saws. So I chose the ECHO, but I want you guys to comment below and let me know which one did you think was the winner. Have you used either of these saws? Definitely comment below and let me know, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, guys.